Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Cassia Park Road towards Moreton Park Terrace in Kingston 10, St. Andrew Parish. Turning onto Moreton Park Terrace, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us onto Waltham Park Road. On the right is Alvaranga Close. On the right is Moreton Park Avenue. Moreton Park Terrace ends, and just ahead is Molynes Road. Going right on Molynes Road will take you towards Washington Boulevard, Uenden and other places. Going left will take you towards Halfway Tree and Crossroads. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.